Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a PKG installer for Mac OS X. You may want to make one of these if the software that you're trying to distribute doesn't actually come with a PKG. Maybe it's a DMG, or it's something you just drag over to applications, sort of like Google Chrome right here, which I'm going to use as my example. By putting a package into a PKG, it allows you to distribute it with tools such as Apple Road Desktop or Deploy Studio. So I'm going to be using PackageMaker, which is included as part of the Xcode SDK. Just go ahead and launch PackageMaker, and organization here doesn't really matter for this. I'm just going to go and click OK. Now, what you can do right here is under contents, you can put files which you want to go and copy over. In this case, I'm going to just drag over Google Chrome application. And I'm also going to apply recommendations here just so that the file permissions are correct. After this is done, I'm just going to go and give this a name, and I'm going to click Build. And I'm just going to go and save it on my desktop. After this builds, I'm going to have a PKG, which I can run, and it'll automatically go and install. So this way you can take your software and install it either through a terminal command or the other utilities. Just wait for this to go for a moment. If you happen to have an application that needs to have a license key or some sort of customization done or special settings, you can also put those in your package as well. I've used it before to make sure that a license file was stored in a special directory that a standard user couldn't open. And I'm just going to do this. And there you go. Now when I open applications, Chrome is right there. All right, thank you all very much, and hope you enjoy.